Happy Tuesday. I'm on my way to school. It's our first day of school. I'm riding with my friend Sharon. We're going to biology today, and this is our quick class, so we won't be there all day, thankfully. And then maybe we'll make a Starbucks trip afterwards.
Hi, my name is Coon. What's up, Bo? Davey. Who turned it on? Mommy. Look at all our toys. I want to see. Tita, did Mom turn it on for you so you could vlog? And that's your toys where we put our big ones. And we're watching Finding Dory. Yes. Can we vlog for a little bit? Please say hi. These are all our toys. And that's you. What's up, Bob? Now make it
Today's the day. I have it. I found it. It's in one piece. Still good condition.
Now I can cut it.
I just had to clean it. Because little fingerprints were on there. The culprits, little fingers. So I already know, who it was. I'm not gonna say anything to Alex. I'm just gonna leave it as is. I found it. I don't care. Great. Time to play on, guys.
Would you say the name?
All of you guys who play video games, ages doesn't matter. You play your heart out. Look who just showed up. Yes, I've been waiting all day. There she is. Now, I can't wait to hear about this, biology. I cannot wait. She'll fill you guys in on that. Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
Day 2 of school, and as you can tell, it's raining really bad. I don't like that. We're on break for English because it's a 4-hour class, and I came outside and I don't know why.
It's cold.
It's freezing. It is super windy. Oh, you can see my hair, but it's super windy. You can see the ripples in the water. That's how windy it is right now. Like the poor trees. Barely 7:20, and we got out of the class. She let us out early, probably just because it's the first day and she doesn't want to overwhelm us. But other than that, it's really, really cold outside. Yeah. It's really cold. I don't know why it's so cold. Wind. Doesn't have to be windy on top of rain, even though it's not raining right now, but still.
This is like my thickest jacket, and I feel air going right through it.
We have to put layers upon layers, and I know it's not as cold as the East Coast, but this is cold for us Californians, okay? Now, what is up with my hair?
A onesie.
Feety pajamas. Yeah. I don't know. It's windy. I don't care. It's
Yes.
Your total's gonna come out to 1848 at the window.
Thank you.
There's no Jack in the Box logo. Where's Jack in the Box? I thought there was a logo somewhere.
Alright, see, that's what I was thinking that too.